Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So guys, today I am talking about vintage garden ideas. First of all, vintage gardens are a great way to add charm and character to your outdoor space. Here are some ideas for creating a vintage garden. Use antique or vintage garden tools as decor. Hang them on a wall or display them in a vintage wheelbarrow. Number two is incorporate heirloom plants and flowers that were popular in the past, such as hollyhocks. Number three is create a vintage inspired sitting area with a rough iron bench or a set of retro metal chairs. Fourth one is add a touch of whimsy with a vintage birdhouse or a garden. Number five is use salvaged materials such as old bricks, stone, or wood to create baths and borders. Number six is create a focal point with a vintage fountain bird bath. And number seven is use antique containers such as old washtaps or metal wearing cans as planters. Incorporate vintage lighting such as old la- odd lanterns or string lights to create a magical atmosphere in the evening. Create a vintage herb garden with old fashioned varieties of herb like theme. The number 10 is add a touch of nostalgia with vintage labels for your plants and garden features. So guys, I'll give you beautiful ideas about vintage garden. You can decor your garden with these ideas.